May puntahan kami ni Fatma. So dito na kami sa malapit na sa road. Mag-ano kami magbisita ng mga kamag-anak ni Lakay. At din mag-Eid. Ayan. So ayan dito yung ang ganda ng views, daming mga puno. Is going to road, so we are here now in road, and we'll go another place or village. Now we are already here in road waiting for car, rickshaw or tricycle. As you can see, the views, very big houses. So ito yung loob. Yan, oh. Somebody come also here, visitor. And this is a room. The close light here. One room. And inside, I make already taught this place. Now we will make tour. This place house is my husband nephew. His father is the first cousin of my husband, so we come here to visit, and at the same time we make tour their house. And they built this house 2 years ago, and first time I came here to visit also. So now we'll make tour. Dressing table. Wow, ayan yung aking itsura. Oh. Kasi he have 2 daughters like Fatma age, so they have too much what you call this, ayan girls items, yan mga lipstick kung ano-ano. So this the room, and also this for what is this? This cat for cat, no? This is for cat. She's where is she now? Oh, come here, come. Very cute. And mashallah, very nice room also, and carpet. Now we come here in this hallway. You see ceiling, very nice, with chandelier. And what is this? This is room? Room. This is room also. Oh, this is room also. Mashallah, there's so many cupboards also. And another, this is, what is this? Hallway. Going outside. And this is kitchen. This is kitchen. Nice kitchen, you see. And they have also chimney here. But they close already because winter is over. Now it's spring season by this time. You can see their cabinets, very nice. Cupboards, carpets. Yan, window. And there is outside going up terrace lantern. Now we go another room. I think this is stock room. Yeah, there is stock room here. Oh, mashallah, very cute. Cupboards also here. And also this is room. This is also room. Ay, lock. Lock. This is lock. I think somebody's sleeping. Their two daughters. And this is washroom. Oh, washroom. Mashallah. Very nice washroom. With tiles. Mm. This is close. And there is one room there. There. Very cute Persian. What you call this one?
Persian cat.
Persian cat. Ah, mashallah, he go already inside room. Where he go? Allah, mobile. It's a Persian cat, and her name is Bila. Oh. Hello, Bila. Come here, very cute. Oh, go already. Ay, she hide already. Where is she now? Inside. There is door going outside, so we'll go from here. So we'll go up in Lantern. So that is the road over there, as you can see. That building, what is that building? This one big. That one big.
Yamanas College.
This School of Fatma College. So we'll go up here. Yeah. So many buildings here. Yan, oh, ito yung ano, lantern. Oh. I think this is school also, this one. This 3-story here. I don't know. For the Foundation College, this one. There is name. I think this is house also of his brother, another nephew. This house here. And that owner of house is in England. This house here. Yan. Laki ng tangke nila. Now we are here. I'm here in terrace or lantern. As you can see, very nice. Today is March 25 and today is Tuesday. Time check is 12:30 noon. So we are going also another place. As you can see over there, that house there, that is my husband Chachi house. So we'll go in that big house there. So we are going that house over there.